Have you ever wondered how those vibrant, flavor-packed Doritos chips make their way from a humble cornfield to your snack bowl? Join us as we explore every step of the journey, from seed selection all the way to that satisfying crunch. It all starts with seed. Doritos producers partner with agronomists to select hybrid yellow corn varieties prized for their ideal starch levels, consistent kernel size, and robust taste. In early spring, farmers use precision planters to sow seeds in perfectly spaced rows, ensuring each plant has room to grow. Soil sensors and weather data guide irrigation and fertilizer application, optimizing yield while minimizing environmental impact. As summer unfolds, the corn rises tall under the sun. Farmers monitor the crop closely, scouting for pests, testing soil moisture, and adjusting fertilizer as needed. Integrated pest management keeps harmful insects at bay without over-reliance on chemicals. Before harvest, experts evaluate kernel moisture and sugar content, scheduling combines at the ideal moment to lock in peak flavor and prevent spoilage during transport. At harvest time, gleaming combines roll through fields, cutting stalks and separating kernels in one seamless operation. The golden kernels are blown into grain carts, then transferred into climate-controlled trucks. These trucks speed off to the Doritos processing plant, ensuring the corn arrives fresh, usually within 24 hours of harvest, to preserve its natural sweetness. Inside the plant, the corn undergoes rigorous cleaning. Airflow separators blast away dust and chaff, while vibrating screens and gravity tables remove broken kernels, stones, and other debris. Optical sorters use high-speed cameras to detect discolored or imperfect kernels, ejecting them with precision air jets so only the best corn moves forward. Next comes milling. Rollers grind the cleaned corn into coarse grits and fine cornmeal. To enhance nutrition and texture, the grits are then nixtamalized, mixed with a small amount of food-grade lime, calcium hydroxide, and water, then cooked briefly. This age-old process releases bound nutrients, improves dough elasticity, and gives Doritos their distinctive taste. In colossal stainless steel mixers, cornmeal, grits, water, and salt combine to form a pliable dough. Quality technicians continuously sample the mixture, checking moisture, pH, and temperature to ensure uniformity. After mixing, the dough rests in climate-controlled bins, allowing water to penetrate each particle evenly and creating a smooth, cohesive mass. The conditioned dough then travels into high-pressure extruders. Pushed through custom-designed triangular dies, the dough emerges as perfect Doritos triangles. Engineers constantly monitor extrusion temperature and pressure, making real-time adjustments to maintain crisp edges and consistent thickness across every chip. Freshly cut tortilla triangles drop into cascading fryers filled with high-quality vegetable oil, kept at precisely 180-degree, 356-degree F. As each chip submerges, it puffs and crisps within seconds. Continuous oil filtration systems remove particles and extend oil life, while inline sensors ensure the oil remains free of off flavors and maintains a golden hue. Behind every Doritos, flavor is a team of food scientists. In dedicated R&D labs, they experiment with spice blends, cheese powders, and natural extracts, conducting blind taste tests with hundreds of panelists. Only the most crave-worthy recipes survive rigorous trials before scaling up for mass production. Straight from the fryer, still warm and slightly oily, chips enter a giant rotating drum. Here, a precisely measured seasoning blend, cheese, spices, salt, and natural flavor enhancers is sprinkled in stages. As the drum turns, each chip tumbles, ensuring an even, irresistible coating. High-speed blowers then remove excess powder, preventing clumps and guaranteeing uniform flavor. Seasoned chips flow onto cooling conveyors, where ambient air chills them to room temperature. Quality inspectors and automated vision systems sample continuously, checking chip color, shape, and seasoning coverage. Any chips that fall outside specifications are diverted offline, ensuring only perfect Doritos advance. Next, the chips enter state-of-the-art form-fill seal machines. Bags are formed from printed film, then flushed with food-grade nitrogen gas. This inert atmosphere protects chips from oxidation, locking in crispness and flavor. The right-size portion is dispensed, and the bag is hermetically sealed and date-coded. Ready? For shipping, sealed bags are packed into cardboard cartons, stacked on automated palletizers and wrapped for stability. These pallets move to refrigerated staging areas, from which they're loaded onto trucks bound for regional distribution centers. Sophisticated logistics software optimizes routes, ensuring Doritos reach grocery stores, vending machines, and convenience shops fresh. In just a few days, Doritos hit store shelves, crunchy, colorful, and bursting with flavor. From there, they make their way into your home, ready to be shared at parties, movie nights, or solo snacking sessions. Each chip carries the craftsmanship, science, and passion of thousands of people dedicated to delivering that perfect Doritos experience. So next time you open a bag of Doritos, remember the incredible journey each triangle has taken, through fields, factories, and meticulous quality checks to bring that famous crunch to your fingertips. Thanks for joining our behind-the-scenes tour.